Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adila Fitriani binti Nur Azman. So today I will present about the introduction, climates and also environmental problems in region 6, which is Northern Africa and Southwest Asia. Okay, in the first slide we can see the maps. The map is consists of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Yemen, Oman, Arab Saudi, Kuwait, Iran, Iraq, Syria and Turkey, and also Jordan. For the introduction, the world region incorporates Africa north of the Sahara and what Westerners commonly call the Middle East. The term Middle East is an ethnocentric, specifically a Eurocentric, terms that describe lands by their location relative to Europe. The terms originated from an early 90s French view of the Near East, incorporating modern Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, and Palestine, and the British concept of the Middle East that include Egypt, Arabia, and the Persian Gulf area. Sudan included in the region because of its strong link with Egypt along the Nile River Valley. Northern Africa and Southwest Asia is one of the most influential as well as one of the most political continuous world region. It is the cradle of three Western religions, which is Judaism, Christianity, and also Islam. And also this region has the most sources of oil. Okay, next is climates. You can turn to page 326 in the textbook. Okay, the first one is desert climate, which fall into dry climate. Okay, the climatic environment in which evaporation rates are greater than precipitation. They dominate virtually the whole region. The region boasts the world's highest recorded shaded temperature, 58 Celsius. But the lack of cloud cover makes night cool and freeze are possible in winter. And rain fall irregularly in some places with increasing uncertainty as aridity increase. Okay, and desert climate is a monopoly climate in the area of Algeria, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, and also part of Iran. Okay, next is steppe climate, which also fall in the dry climate category. It is a semi-arid climate, receive precipitation below potential evapotranspiration, but not as low as a desert climate. It also receives 25 to 50 centimeter of rain each year. During the summer, the temperature regularly rise to 40 to 45 Celsius. And steppe climates cover about 1,675,300 square kilometers in Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. Okay, next is oceanic temperature climates. It is not a monopoly climates, but still have. Okay, the average temperature of the coolest month is from 0 Celsius or above. It's cover a few part of Iran, Morocco, Algeria, and Turkey, but specifically it's cover at the top of the what we call of the map. It's go into the direction of the Spain, Portugal, and Italy part. Okay, the features of cool summer and not cold winter. The monthly mean temperature below 22 Celsius in the warmest month and above 0 Celsius in the coldest month. Okay, the last one is continental temperate climate. Okay, it is the average temperature of the coldest month below 10 Celsius. Okay, the continental climates occur mostly in the northern hemisphere. We can see the climates occur at the western and northwestern Iran and part of Turkey. And the summer weather is more stable than the winter weather in this particular climates. Okay, next is environmental problems. Okay, the first one is fragile land and lack of water supply. Okay, in the ecosystem in arid region are particularly fragile in response to human activities. So human cannot do much activity as the land is easily destroyed and do not recover quickly. Okay, as the region's population rapidly grows, they need to do something, which is they build up the new industry and cities, but with this kind of the activities, they are demanding for more water supply. They lack of the water supply. So next is salinization. Irrigation farming in arid area requires good management to prevent the high rates of evaporating from running salt to the surface soil, which it can reduce or destroy the crop productivity. Under careful management, maintaining good drainage allow water to flush the salt downward, and adding too much water waterlog the soil and concentrated salt at the surface. Okay, for the next one is water pollution. We know that in this region, the main industry is oil industry. So the water pollution is caused by the oil industry. Okay, the oil industry is a major polluter throughout the world, and the concentrating of production and distribution center in the Persian Gulf area pollute the water of area around oil wells and also surface seepage. And there's a leakage. Also, the reason the water are polluted near to the terminal. Okay, for the next one is air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by the oil industry. You can see that the concentration of production and distribution center in Persian Gulf pollute the atmosphere also. It is because of unwanted gases are flare off. The particle in the atmosphere cause fogs and create or worsen the respiratory problems. And this problem has begun since 1991 after the initial oil production began in 1990s.